Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online for yourself without having a website. You don't need to have a website before you can start making money online for yourself. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I release a new update on my channel. Because what I do is that I'll go out there, try things out. When they work for me, I come right here on my channel to show you exactly what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step process and guide, it's the same result I got. Okay, so that is why you need to subscribe to my channel right now, then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video on my channel. All right, so and please make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you understand how to make money online for yourself without having a website. Okay, without wasting time, now let me go straight to the point to show you exactly how to make money online for yourself without having a website. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, I'll show you how to make money online for yourself without having a website. Okay, I'm going to show you a website where you can register for free and start making money. Okay, it is called URL shortener. When you short a link and when someone click on the link, you get paid. You don't need to have a website before you can do this. You can do this on your social media. So let me enter the website now. Use the link below the description of this video to create your own account. So go to AdFly, then hit enter. Okay, now here is how much I have earned on this website. Okay, because like I said, that what I do is that I'll go out there, try things out. When they work for me, I come onto my channel, right on my channel, then show you exactly what I have done. All right, you can see my total earnings here. Okay, you can see the clicks, you can see the clicks here. All right, this one is 00181 00069. Okay, then the total earning I'm having here is 00252. all right, so you don't need to have a website before you can start doing this. All right, now for you to get yourself registered, okay, you need to create an account with these guys. Okay, you can register with your email. For example, let me log out here. Let me log out now. Okay, now here is the homepage of this platform. You can click on join to join or log in. Okay, then you can register with your Google account. Okay, you can register with your Google account. Okay, for me, I register with my Google account. Okay, so you create an account, then you log in. All right, so when I click on login, I'll log in with my Gmail account, as you can see here. So I click here to log in with my Gmail account. I'll select it. It's loading up right here. There you see. So now, like I said, that you don't need to have a website. You can enter any URL here. You can enter google.com. Then you click on shrink. All right, you click on shrink. When you click on shrink, this is the link again. So you copy this link. When you copy this link, then you can go to your social media handle, either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and paste this link. Okay, when someone click on this link, you get paid. All right, so that is how I'm getting this money here although I have my own website. Okay, but in case you don't have a website, this is how you can do it. You copy the link, go to your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and paste the link. Then when someone click on it, you get paid. So guys, this is how you can start making money for yourself. And one thing about this guy is that you can withdraw using Payoneer account. Okay, you can withdraw your earnings through Payoneer account. If you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, kindly watch the video up there to create your own Payoneer account. And when you watch that Payoneer video, if you want to register, use the link below the description of that particular video and register, so that you get a $25 reward. All right, so guys, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, most important, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.